Let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're looking at why your website really needs to be your absolute hardest working 24/7 employee, and exactly how partnering with a specialized Elementor web design agency like Viral Chili makes that a reality. You know, your website has to do so much more than just sit there online like a static digital business card. It needs to actively convert your visitors into customers and drive real, measurable results for your bottom line. But to get those kinds of results, well, you've got to have the right foundation.
Now, this is a tough question, but it's crucial. Are you making money or losing it? Far too many businesses honestly treat their sites as a total afterthought, just relying on clunky, outdated platforms. And the harsh reality here, those outdated sites are actively bleeding revenue through lost conversions and totally frustrated users. If you want a website that actually performs, partnering with an Elementor expert like Viral Chili is, without a doubt, a complete game changer. Modern businesses literally require modern solutions.
So, here's our agenda for today. We're going to break this down into 4 core areas: the efficiency engine, conversion-driven design, the scalable ecosystem, and finally, some real-world practicalities. Okay, Section 1, the efficiency engine. Faster builds and lower costs. Let's get into it. Think about building a website from scratch using traditional coding. Honestly, it's like moving at a turtle's pace. It can take months, and it costs thousands upon thousands in deep developer hours. But visual building with an agency like Viral Chili, that's the rocket ship. By leveraging Elementor's drag-and-drop interface, they completely slash coding time and drastically reduce bugs. We're talking about launching your site in weeks, not months. And because development costs drop significantly, you get to reinvest all those savings straight back into your marketing efforts.
And if you're wondering how that speed is even possible, well, Elementor actually holds a massive 40 to 50% of the page builder market for WordPress agencies globally. That is huge. It means your agency gets instant access to a thriving ecosystem of thousands of pre-built templates and add-ons. So if you need a specific feature, chances are the community has already built it and optimized it way before your project even kicks off.
Moving on to Section 2, conversion-driven design. This is all about turning those casual visitors into actual paying customers.
Think about this for a second. More than 60% of all web traffic today comes from mobile devices. Over half. Yet, it's kind of shocking how many business sites still completely break when you open them on a phone. I mean, imagine running a physical storefront and literally just locking the front door on 6 out of every 10 people who walk up. That is exactly what a bad mobile site is doing to your business right now. But by using Elementor's powerful container system, experts like the team over at Viral Chili can guarantee a mobile-first design that looks absolutely perfect on any screen size. And the payoff for getting this right is massive. Fast mobile sites experienced 3 times higher conversion rates. 3 times! They use proven best practices that literally triple your chances of turning a casual mobile scroller into a paying buyer.
Okay, pay really close attention to this 20% figure, because it's essentially a hidden tax on your business. Studies show you experience a 20% conversion drop for every single second your page delays in loading. Every single second is literally costing you money. Thankfully, Elementor is built to generate clean code that loads incredibly fast, and specialized agencies know exactly how to optimize every single image and script to prevent that massive drop-off.
Why does this matter so much? Because speed and professional design build instant trust. Your website forms first impressions in mere milliseconds. Visitors are judging your credibility based on the design quality before they've even read a single word of your copy. By optimizing those precious milliseconds with a modern, highly trustworthy design, you're immediately signaling that your business is legitimate. And here's the best part. Presenting a highly professional appearance actually allows you to charge premium prices and attract much higher quality customers.
All right, Section 3, the scalable ecosystem. Let's talk marketing, maintenance, and your long-term growth.
A top-tier Elementor expert like Viral Chili knows exactly how to connect your new site seamlessly to all the tools you're already using: your email platforms, your CRM, your analytics, your ad platforms, the whole shebang. These deep connections ensure your customer data just flows smoothly. Email sequences trigger exactly on time, and your analytics capture every single action, making your entire marketing operation work together beautifully as one cohesive unit. But remember, launch day? That's really just day one. To keep that digital ecosystem healthy and thriving, your site absolutely needs ongoing care. Top agencies provide vital maintenance, crucial security patches, and round-the-clock performance monitoring. That means you never have to worry about your site breaking or becoming vulnerable down the road, because the exact same professionals who built your architecture are the ones keeping it continuously optimized.
Because you've built it right from the very start, your initial investment actually compounds over time. As your business scales up, your website scales right alongside it, without you ever needing to fund a completely new, wildly expensive rebuild. Need to add a bunch of new service pages? Done. Expanding your e-commerce functionality? No problem at all. The platform just grows seamlessly with you.
Which brings us to Section 4, Real-World Practicalities. Timelines, costs, and a few frequently asked questions. Let's talk brass tacks and set some realistic expectations. For a standard basic business website, you're looking at a highly affordable $2,000 to $5,000, launching in a rapid 2 to 4 weeks. Now, for a complex site with deep custom integrations, that scales up to the $8,000 to $15,000 range over maybe 6 to 8 weeks. Agencies like Viral Chili always offer transparent, flexible pricing, but this gives you a fantastic, realistic baseline to work with.
Now here's the question I know comes up constantly. Can they just migrate what I already have? The answer is a resounding yes. Agencies can totally migrate your existing site from its old, clunky platform straight into Elementor. This crucial process preserves all your current content, but even more importantly, it preserves all that hard-earned SEO value you've been building up over the years, all while completely modernizing your overall design.
And hey, speaking of SEO, Elementor handles search engines beautifully. It generates the exact kind of clean, semantic HTML code that search engines absolutely love to crawl. An experienced agency will build your site following strict best practices, ensuring blazing fast speeds, flawless mobile responsiveness, and proper heading structures to get you ranking as high as possible.
So I'm going to leave you with this final, critical thought to ponder as we wrap up this explainer. Partnering with a specialized Elementor web design agency like Viral Chili entirely removes the uncertainty from web development. It gives you speed, affordability, and incredibly professional design, all neatly tied up in one package. Listen, your competitors are already using these exact modern tools to build much faster websites. If your current site isn't driving the results you need, what is inaction really costing your business today? It might just be time to turn that website back into your best employee